Good afternoon. My name is Jeff and welcome to my tropical garden channel. Today we're going to talk about fruit cocktail citrus trees and how we can get fruit cocktail citrus trees through grafting. But first, if you like these type of videos, go ahead and click the subscribe and like button. Leave any comments below. So here we have a citrus tree, and as you see in many different California neighborhoods, you'll see a lot of citrus growing, but the biggest problem is that a lot of the fruit goes to waste, and that's because they only have one variety of fruit on the tree. But almost all citruses are graft compatible. That is, you can start off with an orange tree, add a lemon, a lime, a mandarin, grapefruit, and that way you would get fruit at all different times of the year and not get so much abundance of fruit that your family can't consume it all. So what I'm going to do today is show you my tree. This is a mandarin tree, but I also have different grafts in it. For example, I have a lime growing right next to the, and here's where I grafted onto the mandarin tree. As you can see, this lime tree I grafted in the middle of summer is doing wonderful. But I've made various grafts on it, and today I'm going to graft a Buddha's hand or the fingered citron to it. Show you how to do it real quickly. I have other videos where I've done some grafting, so if you want to take a look at those, they're a little more detailed than what we're going to do today. But here I have a citron bud stick. Today it's the last part of October. Not ideal for grafting, but I got the bud stick today, and so I'm going to do the best that I can. So what I'd like to do, or now real quickly, I'm going to show you that I use this budding tape, or it's also called, oh, I'm forgetting the name right now. But anyway, it's budding tape, or some people call it buddy tape. And what I'm doing is wrapping it up so that it doesn't desiccate before it takes hold. This is a citron. And let's see, where's my... I'm going to cut the bottom of it off so that we have a nice smooth grafting surface. And let me get the... So we're going to find a spot on this mandarin tree that's rapidly growing. And as you can see right here, this area has... this location is rapidly growing. And as you can see, I'm going to match the sticks, the bud stick to the, it's not really a seedling, but the tree that it'd be grafted to. I'm going to snap that off. Let me double check on this. I'm going to take off that mandarin right there too. We don't need the fruit growing. There we go. Pop this. Always make sure to sterilize your tools before you do any grafting, because you don't want to introduce any. So as we can see, they're pretty darn close. I may have to cut that back a little bit farther because the diameter is not most accurate. We're going to take it off right there. So as you can see, they're pretty close in diameter. We have the citron bud stick. Pardon the background noise. We have a lot of traffic today. I don't know why. So as you can see, we're making a wedge graft. And then what I want to do is I want to make a wedge on the bud stick. A viewer had mentioned to me, as I call it a branch or whatever, and he says, just call it a bud stick. Okay. You have a scion, which is the tree that you're grafting onto, and the bud stick is what you're grafting, changing the variety of the citrus tree. So we want to make it a pretty good point. And if you look real close, you can see our goal is to get the cambium layers to match up, maybe just a little bit more of a point. So there we go. Let me make sure that this is thick enough. deep enough wedge. I'd like to get a little bit farther there. There we go. Put this down. So as you can see, we got the cambium layers lined up. We insert it. I call that little piece that's not quite covered up by the rootstock the church window, believe it or not. And that's all we do. So by the spring, this should be growing. I probably will get some growth within the next week. Our weather is fairly warm right now. I will, let me see if I have a Band-Aid, rubber band here, and I'll secure it a little bit better. I want to make sure that that remains firm, so whenever the seedlings takes off, it doesn't push the graft out. So there we go. We have a change from a Mandarin to a Buddha's hand. My name is Jeff. If you like these type of channels, you like my videos, go ahead and click the subscribe button. You have a good day.